Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload images on QwenLM AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred browser and navigate to the website of QwenLM AI. Once you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. And here you can see the text field where you can ask questions. And in the bottom right corner of this text field, you can see the camera icon over here. This is the icon from where you can upload image. But if you tap on it, it says that the selected model does not support image files. So at the top left corner, you can see the model name. Tap on it. You need to select the model which accepts the image processing. Here you can see the expand more models option. Tap on it. And if you scroll down, you need to select this model over here. Here it says it is capable of visual reasoning, so select this model. Now if you tap on this image icon again, it will let you upload the image. You can select any image from your device and you can ask the question related to this image. Here I've given the random prompt related to this image. Now I'll ask this question. And there you go, this will respond accordingly, analyzing this image. So that's how you can easily upload the image on QwenLM AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.